Hello friends! Today we're going to draw Goku.
Goku is the main character in the popular anime and manga series Dragon Ball. He's a strong and brave martial artist who loves training and fighting to protect his friends and the world from powerful villains.
Get your markers and paper ready. We will show you step by step how to draw Goku momentarily. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, we start with his eyes. Next, we move on to his mouth. We will use a fine liner to add the details of his teeth later. Now we add his curved eyebrows. Okay, let's draw the cheeks. To find the positioning of the cheeks can be challenging. You can divide it into sections based on the distance from the eyes and mouth. The height of the ears is usually from the upper eyelid to the nose. Now we're going to draw his hair. You can also simply write the letter W to make the lines smoother. Now we use his eyes and ears to locate the lines of the hair. Alright, let's add more details to his ears. Let's move on to his body. Here you probably noticed that my left and right arms are joined with inconsistent thickness. You can avoid such errors by improving your positioning. Now let's draw his belt. When drawing this short ribbon, I'm not entirely satisfied with my lines. The scenes will be painted black at the end, so it's okay to outline it several times.
Okay, let's draw his pants.
Due to his jumping pose, there are many wrinkles on his pants. For me, it's easier to break the line into several sections. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. Now we continue to draw his feet. We almost finished outlining Goku. Let's add a few more details before we color him in. Okay, time to color him in. We also have another video drawing Naruto. Remember to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any new videos. We've done joining Goku. I hope you had a lot of fun joining along with us. See you next time. Bye.